So this is my Engwe Engine Pro 750. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speeds. It's very strong. It will kick. There's a thumb throttle to it. It could be pedal assist also. It runs 40 to 45 kilometers per hour, they said. So there's also a headlight switch. Turn on, and it will turn on also the rear light. And see, if I press the brakes, there you go, left, right, and if I turn off the headlight, still when you go braking, you light up the brake lights. It's a nice strong bike. I love it. And it has a 20-inch 4.0 wheel, plus 8 speed, full suspension, folding bike, front fork and rear suspension. It has 8 speed, and the best part is it has hydraulic brakes already. Now I just put that back, that one there. So there you go, rotor, hydraulic brakes, and mag wheels, and rear carrier looks pretty tough, and a folding pedal. See, just press it on and just pull it, twist it. Nice bike. And there's some mud guards also, and colored LCD display.